Hello friends, this time we'll be covering a discussion essay and the topic is a tough one, that is the arts topic. But the good news is you need to learn a little bit of an art specific vocabulary to attempt the essay in a better way. In this essay, we need to discuss and analyze both the perspectives of the statement and then conclude with our opinion. In such essay, we do not state our opinion in the beginning of the essay. Let's first examine the essay question. Some people say that every human being can create art, for example paintings. Others think only the people born with the ability can create art. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Let's move on to the answer. In the first paragraph, we will just paraphrase the question statement in our own words and give a brief outline of the essay. So here it goes. It is often said that every individual is a creation of God bestowed with similar capabilities, and hence all creatures have the ability to craft artwork. However, there are others who think that only the special ones conceived with such capacity can create art. Both arguments will be carefully analyzed before reasoned conclusion is found. In the second paragraph, we give ideas in support of the statement that every human is equal and everyone can create art. Many people hold the view that every human form in this world is presented with comparable capacities and there is only a need to stimulate the creative mind and follow the instinct in order to create artwork. Some amount of hard work accompanied with innovative thinking is all it takes to reach the requisite levels of artistic genius. The attitude to stretch the imagination beyond limits can lead anyone to model a work into an artistic masterpiece. Notice the vocabulary that is used in an arts topic essay: creative mind, artwork, innovative thinking, artistic genius, imagination, artistic masterpiece. In any kind of an art specific essay, this vocabulary can be helpful. Moving on, in the third paragraph, we give ideas against the statement. We have deliberately made this a bigger paragraph and given more statements in order to give a final opinion against the statement. However, this is refuted by others who are of the view that only a few people are gifted in their creative abilities and art cannot be acquired or taught. These skills can only be developed within individuals with extraordinary artistic capabilities. Such creative abilities are presented to a selected few who have a certain delicacy of imagination that enables them to discern good art from bad. A good illustration of this is evident in art galleries, where exhibits created by M.F. Hussain are considered to be priceless as compared to other artists. Since not everyone can dip into that realm of art, it goes without saying that not everyone has this capability because most people miss the full significance of art. Notice the range of vocabulary in this paragraph, again specific for an arts topic essay. In this paragraph, we also illustrated our idea with an example, thereby proving our point in a more stronger way. Finally, the conclusion paragraph. Here we conclude with our opinion and then restate the idea that we support. After analyzing both sides, it is opined that only people gifted with unusual artistic competence can develop work of an art, and it is not a skill that can be attained by itself. People with delicate taste are rare and can be distinguished from the rest of mankind by their understanding of importance of art. Thanks for listening to my essay. If you like my essay, please click the like button. Stay tuned for more such essays. Thank you.